total energy of an electron in an orbit of hydrogen atom. Now this is the nucleus of hydrogen atom, and electrons is revolving around the nucleus, right. Now this revolving electron will have kinetic energy due to its motion and potential energy due to its position. It means that total energy in the nth orbit will be kinetic energy in the nth orbit plus potential energy in its nth orbit. Now, what will be the kinetic energy? We know that electron is revolving around the nucleus, then the electrostatic force between electron and nucleus is equal to the centripetal force, that is m v square n by Rn. Now this and this cancel. M v square n equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught E square by Rn. Now 1 by 2 m Vn square equal to 1 by 2 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught E square by Rn, right. And this is the equal to the kinetic energy in nth orbit. Potential energy, what will be the potential energy? Potential energy क्या फॉर्मूला होता है between two charges? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r. Here it will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2, that is charge on the nucleus E, charge on electron minus E divided by distance, and this is equal to minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught E square by Rn, ठीक. Now substitute the value equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Kinetic energy will be 1 upon 2 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught E square by Rn minus times 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught E square by Rn, ठीक. Now 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught E square by Rn I have taken as common. This will be 1 upon 2 minus 1, and this is equal to, this will be equal to how much? En, energy in nth orbit, equal to how much? E square 8 pi epsilon naught Rn, right. Now substituting the value of Rn की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दें, we will get En equal to minus m e to the power 4 divided by 8 h square epsilon naught square n square, right. Now in this expression what you are observing, m e 8 h epsilon naught all are constant, ठीक है. ये सब क्या है? कांस्टेंट है. नाउ ई एन इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू एन स्क्वायर, ठीक. नाउ मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ एनर्जी है इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू एन स्क्वायर. ठीक है. नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ एप्सिलॉन नॉट एच एम ई in this equation, then we will get energy in nth orbit equal to minus 13.6 upon n square electron volt. That is energy of electron in hydrogen atom in first orbit for n equal to 1, En equal to minus 13.6 electron volt. Now what is the meaning of this minus? इस नेगेटिव साइन का क्या मतलब है? टोटल एनर्जी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इन द ऑर्बिट इज नेगेटिव. नेगेटिव एनर्जी टेल्स that electrons and nucleus in a hydrogen atoms forms an attractive system or bond system, right? टोटल एनर्जी नेगेटिव आ रही है, इसका मतलब ये हो गया कि इलेक्ट्रॉन और न्यूक्लियस एक बाउंडेड सिस्टम बन रहा है एंड द इलेक्ट्रॉन कैन बी टेकन आउट फ्रॉम इट्स ऑर्बिट इफ एक्सटर्नल एनर्जी ऑफ दिस मच और दिस मच इज अप्लाइड टू इट. ठीक, फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट से निकालना है तो इतना, हायर ऑर्बिट से निकालना है तो हमें ये एनर्जी देनी पड़ेगी. ठीक. नाउ जस्ट सी दिस नोट that kinetic energy equal to 1 upon 2 E square 4 pi epsilon naught Rn. This is kinetic energy. Potential energy equal to how much? Minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught E square Rn. and total energy कितनी है? The total energy is again 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught E square by Rn. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught E square by Rn into half. This is the total energy. Now, what is the relation? Now, kinetic energy equal to how much? Kinetic energy equal to minus times potential energy by 2 or potential energy equal to minus 2 times kinetic energy. Similarly, total energy equal to minus times kinetic energy. ठीक, और kinetic energy equal to minus times total energy. These are the relations which you have to remember. Third one is what? Total energy equal to potential energy by 2 or potential energy equal to 2 times total energy. Clear हो गया? Now there is one question. The ground state energy of hydrogen atom is minus 13.6 electron volt. Find the kinetic energy and the potential energy of the electron in the ground state. What is given to us? That the total energy of hydrogen atom is minus 13.6 electron volt. That is E1 or E naught equal to minus 13.6 electron volt. What I have to calculate? Kinetic energy equal to what? Potential energy equal to what? Now kinetic energy equal to minus times total energy, that is 13.6 electron volt. Potential energy equal to how much? 2 times of total energy, that is 2 into 13.6 electron volt, and this is equal to 27.2 electron volt.